Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to hop right into the video and show you guys how I made my DIY avocado hair mask. First, I'm just going to explain or show you guys my ingredients, and then I'm going to explain the benefits of these ingredients for our hair. So the first ingredient would be avocado, of course, one whole egg, honey, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil. And then just to remind you guys, these are just the oils that I chose. You can use any oil you want. And then I just have this, what is this? Food processor. And so here I'm just showing you the ingredients again. And when I started blending the ingredients together, I found that it does get clumpy, but unlike the other videos I've seen them use like a strainer, a cheesecloth. I don't have either, so I just added water. I just added water so it can be smooth and creamy like this. And I love the consistency. I actually was really impressed with how that came out. And then I'm just showing you how I just bottled it up because I did end up having to use it a different day. So avocado is a natural moisturizer and conditioner. It plumps up dry hair. It provides that fatty acid, and it also has or contain vitamin E. And vitamin E that stimulates hair growth. It also prevents hair loss, and it leaves the hair silky and shiny. Um, I just wanted to try to DIY. I guess you can say this is a dupe for the natural avocado hair mask. I wanted to try it, but at the same time, I also just wanted to experiment and see what I can do myself, or I guess you can say save money because I have been on a budget lately. Um, so I do want to be able to, just see what these hair masks can do for my hair, what these natural ingredients can do for my hair, and I know exactly what's going in the hair mask and what's going on my hair, going in my body, just by me becoming more hands-on with that. So I just want to share my experience. Maybe I don't know if there's others who have been wanting to try like a avocado hair mask, maybe made by a company, or maybe you can just try to make it yourself, make a dupe. And I grabbed the avocado, which was maybe, I think they were on sale for like $1 at Aldi. I went to Aldi the other day and I just found out how cheap their produce was. So now I'm just gonna go and buy from there. But I'm not gonna talk for too long. I really just want to show you guys my results, or just show you how I'm using it and show you the after results. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you do enjoy the video, please comment or let me know, because I really do want to know what you guys are interested in, or what you want to find out. I can test it out for you. So that's it.